Hello everyone, today I will show you how to adjust comment boxes left and right alignment using Foxit PDF Editor. Open your PDF file and click on this home option and select here selection menu. Now click on this annotation option and drag your mouse cursor, select your text boxes or comment boxes you want to adjust top, right and left alignment, and this right sidebar. Here you will find this comment box alignment option, and this is right alignment and this one left alignment. Also you can align this properties option. Click on this text boxes and press Ctrl key for your keyboard and hold it and click another one, and here you will find this left alignment and this is right alignment. In this way you can fix your text boxes or comment boxes left and right alignment. Yeah, this is. And finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.